Welcome to my channel. I'm hanging out here by the Mississippi River. You can see they got, it's kind of busy. They got that boat over there. There's in St. Paul, Minnesota. And they have another boat going the opposite direction. That's towards north. And that's towards the Atlantic Ocean or Chicago, Illinois. And they have a bigger boat on the river. It's a beautiful day. You can see this downtown St. Paul, this Mississippi River. Hopefully you're enjoying yourself. You're taking it easy. I came over here just to hang out. Enjoy looking at the water. It's calming. No life jackets. They also have a dog. I'm not sure if they're required or not. I won't go on the Mississippi River without a life jacket, especially on a smaller boat. That's bigger. Sunday evening, beautiful day to be by the river. I like it. Hope you're doing well, you're taking care of yourself. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? If this is the first time for you to visit, you can give us a like and you can subscribe if you want. You don't have to, but would be nice. So hopefully you're taking it easy today. Looks really nice out here. And that's the southern side of the river over there. The Mississippi River in St. Paul, Minnesota. If you are subscribed, thank you so much. Continue supporting us. If you're not, you know what to do. It's busy over here. People walking and stuff. We'll see you on the next video. Take it easy. Peace out.